Okay, welcome to the Enhancement Hub, an AI routing platform. Today we're going to talk about how product teams receive enhancement requests constantly, but routing them to the right product manager is usually manual, slow, and optimizes for the obvious choice. Send it to whoever already owns the domain that works in the short term, but stunts organizational learning. This project builds an AI agent that routes smarter and deliberately different. The core idea is a stretch over core scoring. Instead of sending a mobile ER to the most experienced mobile product manager, the router deliberately scores stretch domain candidates higher, pushing product managers into adjacent areas to build cross-organizational fluency. Stretch assignments above a threshold require manager approval so that the system stays accountable. The workflow runs as a Google ADK graph with 7 nodes. Free text comes in, the intake agent structures it, a security checkpoint scrubs PII and blocks prompt injection. The router scores and ranks product managers via an MCP server. Then the workflow pauses for human input, product manager acceptance, and if it's a stretch assignment, manager sign off. Cross-functional ERs get a consultation pass where Gemini and simulates input from domain adjacent product managers. Now here, just a quick demo. As my system manager, I'm going to enter a request. And as this is running, share some details. So now the intake request is coming. This, from the description, is looking at payments and identities. So it's going to pick from combination of the core domains and the stretch domains. It's currently parsing the intake. It's successfully passed all the different gates, and it's routing to Jordan Kim, who's a strong candidate because he needs to look at building his identity strengths. So we're going to accept this assignment. Product manager will approve the assignment. And now we will switch over to Jordan. Okay, so now I can switch to Jordan, and I can see that it is in his queue. He can submit work. If I open the design, I can see that I'm asking Sophia for input as well. So she is adjacent, and here she can provide her input. And once Jordan has approved or completed the design, that needs mark it complete. And now his queue is available for more work again. And once that's done, then additional ERs will come in, we balance against capacity, and we continue assigning to product managers as they have availability. This entire product was built using ATK scaffolding with a workflow graph, MCP server, human-in-the-loop nodes, and resumability configuration was generated with anti-gravity, Google's agentic coding tool. It compressed what would have been days of boilerplate into a single scaffolding pass, letting me focus on the routing logic and governance. The result is an agent pipeline that routes enhancement requests with human oversight at every critical decision point and actively expands product manager expertise across the organization. Thank you for watching.